tour. I'm just showing you, this is cool.
Oh, there is two beds. Oh, this is cool.
How's it?
There is two beds.
There is two on top,
I got this bed.
This is like a ship. Cruise. Mini cruise.
That's not bad.
This is a bathroom. Let me see.
This bed, right?
Oh, the AC, yeah.
Oh wow, you got your own room. This is cool, eh?
This is cool. Where are we going? I'm just kidding.
This is really cool.
This is cool. Now you wanna stay here?
No.
I like it.
No.
This is cool.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Is there a TV in your room?
No, only yours.
Okay.
I use my phone, I'm fine. I watch YouTube on my phone.
No. You'll stay
Are
here.
you sure?
I'll stay there.
But you want TV though?
Not really.
You sure?
Yeah, you stay here.
I could stay there, I had no big difference. Is
No.
there AC here? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive. I'm taking it.
Oh, look, the lights are on. This is cool. This is cool. I didn't bring.
Oh, you gotta buy it.
I lost. Oh.
What?
Somebody left food in here.
Oh, so we'll dump it out later.
I'll dump it out. I'm just saying. Oh my god, somebody left food here.
Hey, housekeeping. No.
What is that for?
This is a Bible, TV. Oh, you got the password, remember?
Oh, this we got Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
I didn't know you had it. Oh, this is. Oh, hair soap.
Oh, okay.
Right
Okay.
there, I just saw. Nothing's there, just a
What's
hair
that?
blow dryer.
Okay, we gotta make sure because tonight for
I want to
snacks.
see the bathroom.
We got microwave. This is really cool, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the fan too.
Oh.
Yeah.
The like.
This is fun.
This is cool. How could you not stay in it? This is cool. You don't think so?
I go, this is
You sure you don't want this one? Okay. This is cool, guys. But like I'm on a cruise.
yeah, I got my own room.
This is cool.
Okay, let's go get the car.
That's the room tour, guys.